I'm going to talk about the difference between a coterminal angle and a reference angle. So the definition of a coterminal angle is that it shares the same terminal side and initial side. So if you start at the initial side and you go up 30 degrees, that is your terminal side. Then a coterminal angle is you can add 360 degrees to that 30 degrees and you will still end up at the same terminal side. So 390 degrees is the same as a coterminal angle of 30 degrees. A reference angle, though, is the smallest angle between the terminal side and the x-axis. So if I went up 30 degrees, my reference angle is 30 degrees. But if I went 120 degrees, my reference angle wouldn't be 120 degrees, it would be 60 degrees because that is the smallest angle between the terminal side and the x-axis. Two topics that I really struggled with this course were verifying identities and solving equations on a given interval. And the topic that I enjoyed most was law of sines and law of cosines. I just feel like those were interesting topics and easier to grasp, and they made a little bit more sense in my head, whereas the verifying identities could get really tricky, and solving equations on a given interval was really hard for me to understand. So yeah.